Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here, learning is always fun. And today in the series of Grammar Guide, this is a worksheet on pronouns. We will learn to use the personal pronouns he, she, it, we and they in place of different types of nouns. Here this he is a third person singular pronoun which we can use in the place of any singular male. She is also third person singular pronoun which we can use in place of any singular female, and it is also third person singular pronoun which we will use in place of any singular animal, thing, place, collective noun or abstract noun, or even it will be used in the place of uncountable noun. Now this we and they both are plural pronouns, but we is first person plural pronoun which we will use when I want to talk about me and my friends with me, and they is third person plural pronoun which we will use when there are more than one persons, animals, places or things. Now the first, cat and horse, two animals, plural nouns, that's why they. Jack and I, with I, Jack is there, that's why both of us are we. You and they, Dave is there with you, so it is plural they. Cheese, uncountable noun, that's why singular it. Pamela, singular but female, so she. Geese, goose is singular, geese plural, so they. School, name of a place, singular, that's why it. Children, plural, child singular, children plural, so they. Bicycle, bicycle singular noun, it. Son, singular but male, that's why son will have he. Shop, thing, singular, it. Mr. Green, singular, male, he. Friendship, abstract noun, it. All the abstract nouns are singular. Mary, she, girl, female. Books, plural, all plural nouns will have they. Plane, singular, name of a thing, it. Cactus, plant, singular, it. News is also singular noun, that's why it. Flowers, plural noun, they. Daughter, singular but female, that's why she. Sugar, uncountable noun, all uncountable nouns are singular, it. Anne and Kate, two persons, that's why they. Mice, mouse singular, mice plural, that's why they. Buses, S is there, more than one bus, plural, they. Brother-in-law, brother-in-law is male singular, that's why he. Dolphin, name of an animal, it, singular. Tom, singular but male, so he. Sister, singular but female, she, so he, she, it comes in the place of singular thing. Sunshine, it. Parents, plural, they. Scissors are always plural, that's why they. Piano, singular, it. Milk, uncountable noun, it. Feet, plural, foot, singular, feet, plural, that's why they. Tennis, name of a game, that's why it, singular. Sky, singular. Papers, S is there, that's why plural, they. Picture, singular, it. The Ricks family. Here the family is collective noun. One family we are talking about, that's why it.